Hi everyone, my name is Janira Hassan. I am a student at the NAT. In this opportunity, I'm going to explain about my lesson plan. This lesson plan is designed for students of 7th grade, and the topic is WH question. Okay, let's start. The adjectives that my lesson plan are identify the W question in sentences, text, and conversation. Correctly use the WH question to ask questions in different contexts. Okay, regarding the class description, first, word up. In this part, for the word activity, the teacher presents a short test in which the WH questions are highlighted and asks them to read the text and observe the highlighted words. Then he will ask them to express their opinion about what they think those words mean and what they are used for. This is the test. Hi Karen, and the words in yellow, why, what, who, when, where, which, why, don't, are the WH question. These words are the student is going to work. After is the presentation. In this part, the teacher explains at the students the topic about WH question. The students are going to see a video about the topic. In this part have a duration 30 minutes, and the resources are video about WH question. Here is the link of the video. Okay, after practice, why? In this part, the students will practice the topic explained through interactive activities in the following link. Okay. Here you can see the link. The resource is computer and web page. The time is 15 minutes. After production post, the students must pair up and create a conversation using the WH question, or the WH question working on a class should be present in the conversation. At the end, they should share their activity with their classmates by dramatizing the conversation, then created in pairs. The resource is paper, pencil, eraser, elements to dramatize the conversation, and the time is 30 minutes. The materials that we need for the class is test about WH question, video about WH question, computer, web page, paper, pencil, eraser. The last is a assessment box. For the evaluation, the students will perform a speaking of their favorite object, which they will have to describe and say that is where they keep it, why is their favorite object, when it became their favorite object, who gave to them, and what is the value that has for him. The idea of the evaluation is that the student is able to express himself fluently using the WH question. Okay, this is all. Thank you. Bye bye.